Good morning to one and all. I am Bharti, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S. Gopal Raju Government State College, Anekal. In this session, I am going to explain you about the problems on joint venture. So in the last class, we have discussed about the difference between joint venture and consignment. And after that, we come across the various methods and the whatever the journal entries we have to take. So we have come across about that. In this chapter, so we are going to discuss about the problem on joint venture. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So see the problem. P, Q and R entered into a joint venture of a contract and rupees 1 lakh is the contract price, rupees 40,000, rupees 20,000 and rupees 20,000 were invested by P, Q and R respectively, and joint bank opened. They purchased materials for rupees 60,000. P paid architect fees of rupees 1,000. Q paid for sundry expenses of rupees 2,000 and R paid for cement rupees 4,000. The contract was duly carried out. All the transactions were done through joint bank account. Pass necessary entries and prepare ledger accounts. So here in this problem, there are three persons. One is P, Q and R. P, Q, R joint venture ge enter ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So these persons are called as a co-venturers. So here 1 lakh price is the contract price. So this is 1 lakh rupees is the contract price and they have invested ಅವರು 40,000, 20,000 and 20,000 invest ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. P 40,000, Q 20,000 and R 20,000 invest ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ respectively. And joint bank account opened. Joint bank account na open ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They purchased material for rupees 60,000. So here they have purchased material for rupees 60,000. P paid architect fees of rupees 1,000. P architect fees 1,000 pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Q sundry expenses 2,000 ನ pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ R paid cement rupees 4,000. 4,000 cement pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The contract was duly carried out. All the transactions were done through joint bank account. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Pass necessary entries and prepare ledger accounts. Okay, so here first we have to pass journal entry. Journal entry pass ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು in the books of P, Q and R. So the first journal entry, joint bank account data to P account, to Q account and to R account being amount contributed. So this is whatever the amount which is contributed by P, Q and R. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ P problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. P 40,000, Q 20,000 and R 20,000 amount invested by PQR ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ PQ ಮತ್ತೆ R. And next we have to pass journal entry for joint venture account data to P's account. So this is amount which is paid by P for architect fees. So here they have given 1,000 rupees. So here P paid architect fees of rupees 1,000. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. And next joint venture account data to Q's account. So this is being sundry expenses paid. So sundry expenses paid by Q 2,000, 2,000. So ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Q paid for sundry expenses rupees 2,000 ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, and next we'll go for next journal entry, joint venture account data to R's account. So this is being cement purchase 4,000, 4,000. R cement purchase ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 4,000 spent ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is R paid for cement rupees 4,000. That amount we have to take. And next one is joint venture account data to joint bank account. So this is being materials purchased. When materials purchased means joint venture account data to joint bank account. That is for 60,000, 60,000. It is also given in the problem, that is 60,000. Okay. And next we'll go for joint bank account data to joint venture account. So this is 1 lakh rupees. So this is being contract price received. So it is also given in the problem. So the contract price 1 lakh is the contract price. So that amount we have to take. And next one is joint venture account data to P's account, Q's account, and R's account. So this is the profit for profit. So 33,000 will get profit. So the profit will be distributed equally. So if they have given ratio means we have to distribute according to the ratio. If nothing has stated means we have to distribute equally. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Okay, so that is being profit on joint venture transferred. And next is P's account data, Q's account data to R's account to joint bank account. Okay, so this is the final amount which is paid. So that amount we have to take into consideration. Okay, after this, after passing of journal entry, we have to prepare ledger account. So journal entry pass ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ledger account ಅನ್ನ prepare ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1,000, ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 2,000 and R's account 3,000. So it will be there in the journal entry. So that is 1,000 joint venture account data to P's account 1,000, joint venture account data to Q's account 2,000, joint venture account data to R's account 4,000. Okay, so that we have to post accordingly. And next to joint bank account 60,000. This is there. That is joint venture account data to joint bank account. So joint bank account ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ transfer ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And next one is the profit on joint venture. So this is 33,000. So we are distributed equally. That is 11,000, 11, 11. So for P11, Q11, R11. And here you have to take a joint bank account 1 lakh. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 lakh ಇದಲ್ವಾ joint account to joint venture means it is a credit side. We have to take 1 lakh rupees as joint bank account. So this is how we have to prepare ledger account. So it is joint venture account. First we have to prepare joint venture account, and after that we have to prepare co-ventures account. So co-ventures, as I already told you, P, Q and R are the co-ventures. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಜನ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು co-ventures ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತವರು P, Q ಮತ್ತೆ R. So to joint bank account, so 52,000, 33 and 35. So ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 40, 20, 20. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. Okay, by joint venture account 11,000, 11,000 and 11,000. So okay, and next we'll go for year. Okay, so this is joint bank account. Okay, this is joint bank account. So here also wherever we'll get, so that we have to take into consideration. Take for example, joint bank account data. So you have to take P account Q account and R account. Joint bank account data, P account, Q account and R account. And after that, so see the journal entry. And there's a joint bank. So joint bank account data to joint venture account. So this is venture account. Sorry, by miss it has come as a joint bank. So it is a venture account, joint venture account. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. And here on the credit side, by joint venture account 60,000, by P's account 52, by Q's account 33, and by R's account 35,000. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate. This is how you have to pass journal entry, and you have to prepare ledger account, that is joint venture account, co-ventures account, and next finally you have to prepare joint bank account. So this is how we have to prepare, and this is the information I have taken from this book. Dr. S. Anil Kumar, Dr. V. Rajesh Kumar, Dr. B. Mariappa, Advanced Financial Accounting, Himalaya Publishing House. Thank you all.